Let us now understand the datums in the Siemens NX tool. Here we have the datum plane. We can select datum axis or the datum coordinate system. Let us begin with the datum plane. In order to create the datum plane, first select the surface where the plane needs to be created. I'm going to select this surface. You can always offset from the surface as shown below. Here, let us keep it as 0 mm and give it as OK. Let us create another datum plane. Similarly, we'll be selecting the surface from where we want to offset. This time, let us offset it by 15 mm. You can always reverse the direction as shown. And if you want to increase the number of planes, you can increase it by clicking on this option. So in case you want 10 planes, this is how it would seem. Right now, let us select two planes and click OK. You can see the planes are being created in the model tree. We can always hide the planes which are not needed for this study. I'm going to hide all the planes except these two. You can also hide the extrude feature or the datum coordinate system.